how to increase your slow mobile phone speed. In this video, I'm going to be working you through step-by-step process on how to make your slow mobile phone work 10 times faster. We are going to be changing some settings on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. With that being said, let's dive in. Locate the settings icon on your phone. Tap on About Phone. Then tap on Software Information. Tap on Build a Number 5 times until it shows Developer Mode has been enabled. Next step, go back to Settings page. Scroll down. You should see the Developer options. This option depends on the phone you are using. Next step, tap on the Developer option. Locate these settings and adjust accordingly as shown on the screen. Your mobile phone should now be working smoothly. Like and subscribe for more videos.